Good morning and welcome to another day in Ko Chang, and well, we've got a slightly different day ahead today. We effed up big time. Let's just say the truck is in the creek or in the ravine maybe. I was in bed, but at 2 o'clock last night the truck decided to go for a little swim. Fortunately the creek is dry, but we need to make our way down there and actually find out what is going on with the truck. So yeah, the recovery team should be there in about half an hour. So I'm going to head down, have a look at what's going on, see how bad the truck is, eh? Well, that is a belter, isn't it? I mean, if you're going to do something, do it in style. She's not done it in half. It is absolutely cooked down there. I mean, let's have a quick walk around. I've literally just got here. I've not even looked around myself. I mean, flipping heck. I mean, you've done a good one there, darling. Oh, bless her. Bless her. She's doing well to put a face on camera for it, I swear. Right, let's go down and have a look at the front, I guess. Yeah, I mean, actually, it looks like it's only ripped the bumper off it, actually. It might be all right. I mean, all right. Crash bars are absolutely smashed in, but the intercooler and stuff actually doesn't look too bad. I mean, as you sit here like this is looking pretty terrible to me right now, I'm not gonna lie. She said it wasn't that bad. What an unusual place to park your car. I mean, you can sort of see how far it's fallen down. It's nearly the height of the truck. I'd say it is the height of the truck. So actually, having a quick walk around this thing now, she's so lucky. I mean, she come down here and it is a built-up embankment, it really is, and it's quite the drop. The front end is quite smashed up, I'm not gonna lie. They've just said that they can't pull it out. They're not gonna pull it out, they're gonna have to crane it out. It's an interesting one, isn't it? No good. People keep pulling up as well. So yeah, can you imagine if she'd have gone off down there though? That would have been horrendous. Horrendous. She's double lucky. She's not even bothered. She's just, well, she probably is, but she thinks she's more concerned that the car's a write-off. I was just saying, I'd probably move some rocks and try and drive it out. I'm gonna go and speak to Robert. So we have been hanging around base now for a couple of hours, but Gifty has just had a phone call and said that the recovery team is down at the car, on the site, whatever you want to call it. And then give it a couple of minutes, I'll ride down, try and get some shots and see what's going on. I mean, what was she thinking? Anyway, at least everyone's all right. That's the main thing, everyone's safe. Dog's only just safe today, he's hot. All right, we're gonna make our way down there in a couple of minutes. They are just getting the crane into position now. Probably going to get it onto the straps pretty soon. But I am amazed that nobody has said you can't park there just yet. And I'm not going to lie, there's quite a few people now watching. The bridge has got, you know, a few people on it. So, right, we are officially the laughing stock of the village. But it's all right. Giving them some entertainment. Jesus, look at this whole thing. Oh, by the way, there's only one crane on Ko Chang, so if you own the crane, you quid's in, aren't you? Right, let's go and get on. Who put that camera there? Oh, told ya. Well, the car is out. You may have just seen that drove off. But this place is a little bit busy, I am not gonna lie. So we're gonna let them clean up a little bit here and probably go and hide, to be honest with you. So, probably pay the bill as well. It's pretty quickly dispersing, I'm not gonna lie. Right, I'll speak to you when we're back at the house or back with the car or something. Ciao. So we've just dragged the car around to her brother's, which is literally round the corner from where it was sort of crashed. Now the bumper has probably seen better days, hasn't it, Gap? It's a little bit kaputty. Oh yeah. Oh good. Oh, so it's only like the odd bit of plastic that's broken, really. We're not bothered about that.
If you want to check, just only this.
Yeah. Oh wow, the crash bar has taken a serious dent. Check that one out. They take. Whoa, there you go. Good lad. They take a good bit of dinging, they do. So we might have to change that, but it's literally 4 bolts across the front. That's all right. Not a problem. Right, I'm going to nip to the house, get some spanners so we can actually take this off properly. Ciao, ciao. Or we might just be snapping it off in a second because there's not much left of it. I'm not even joking. It's definitely twice the drop. Like I say, excuse the water, it's disgusting here. Probably because of what's behind me. I try never to film that bit, but you know, needs must. Right, well. Who put that camera there? Oh.